Nothing quite feels like the satisfaction of freshly clean clothes. Maybe it's the smell or the feel, or maybe it's because they're more than just clothes. They're memories. Dirty clothes mean you're playing, exploring, living. And you know that no matter how dirty life can get, you're only one wash cycle away from starting fresh again. You're doing a great job of keeping those cycles going and your family refreshed and ready for whatever life brings. Over time, those cycles add up to a lot of laundry. What if you could make one simple choice, one time, that would make those cycles do more for you each time around? Enhancing the cleaning power of your washing machine and helping you feel better about the things that impact your family every day, your budget, your health, and your environment. That choice is letting the technology in PureWash Pro work for you. PureWash Pro connects to both top and front-load home washers and can reduce or eliminate the need for liquid detergents, bleach, and fabric softeners by using powerful, proven oxidizing technology. This technology is the same used in hospitals and hotels, but now available at home. To get PureWash Pro working for you, easily mount it on the wall behind the washer using the provided template and mounting bracket. Next, locate the existing cold water hose for your washing machine, unhook it from the wall spigot, and connect it to the outlet on the PureWash Pro. Then run the supplied hose from the inlet to the cold water spigot where the existing hose was connected. Power up the system using the supplied 110-volt adapter and turn on the cold water spigot. PureWash Pro intelligently turns on and off when needed when you run your washer. Cold water enters the system and passes a high-power magnet that ionizes the incoming water to prevent mineral buildup. Next, the water comes to a valve that directs water through one of two paths, one for top-load washer and the other for a front-load washer. You set this valve for your appropriate machine just once during installation. The flowing water creates a vacuum that pulls outside air into the desiccant dryer, a cartridge that removes moisture. The incoming air is charged, creating several oxygen-based molecules that are mixed into the water. These powerful molecules clean, eliminate bacteria and mold, and remove odors just like a thunderstorm, which is nature's way of cleaning the air. Your laundry cycle can do more than just clean your clothes. PureWash Pro supercharges your water with enough oxygen cleaning power to reduce or eliminate the need for detergent, bleach, and fabric softener. Over time, that saves you a lot of money on harsh, expensive chemicals. These same chemicals would be going into our environment and our water supply. They would also end up in your clothes and on your skin, causing sensitivity and irritation. PureWash Pro also eliminates virtually all mold and bacteria that causes that musty washer odor, illness, and skin allergies, while giving you that fresh rain shower smell. It even eliminates the need for hot water, reducing your energy consumption and saving you even more money. Your laundry cycle can do more than just clean your clothes. Let it help you take control of your budget, your health, and your impact on the environment starting today. Turn the next regular laundry cycle into laundry enhanced with PureWash Pro.